What is up, Bitcoiners? Good morning. We're coming to you live from my hotel room in Dallas, Texas. Welcome to Channel 256 News, your go-to daily broadcast for the latest in Bitcoin and Bitcoin mining. I'm your host, Trevor Bello, and each day I'll cover key trends, essential mining metrics, and the biggest stories in Bitcoin, all in less than 10 minutes so you can stay informed and get back to doing what you love the most. Let's jump straight in. Before we dive into our news segments for the day, let's go over the mining metrics for Thursday, November 21st. The current block time today is 871,334. The total network hash rate, a casual 743.4 exahash. The daily hash price for all the miners out there is $56.07 per petahash. We did hit another all-time high this morning at 98,300, with the current price sitting around 97,770. So we're bumping up on that $100,000 mark, guys. The last difficulty adjustment happened on November 18th and was a 6.6% upwards adjustment. Our next adjustment appears to be happening on the 2nd of December. As of right now, it will be an 11.7% increase. More miners on the network means faster block times, which in turn means a higher difficulty. Last but not least, the current fee rate is still 8 sats per VByte, so make sure you get those UTXOs in order before that goes up. Real quick, before we get into our news story for the day, Bitcoin Mining World is here in Dallas, again, hence the hotel room, for the North American Blockchain Summit, November 20th and 21st. Today is the last day of the conference, and so far it has been a lot of fun and very engaging. I've enjoyed being able to talk to everyone who's come by the booth. If you're also attending, please come down to booth 19, say hi. I'd love to chat and explore how Bitcoin Mining World can be your partner in success. All right, so let's get into the news for Thursday, November 21st, 2024. Avik Roy, president of the Foundation for Research on Equal Opportunity, has voiced his reservations about the potential of Bitcoin to solve the United States' escalating national debt problem, which now exceeds $35 trillion. Speaking at the North American Blockchain Summit 2024 in Dallas, Texas, on November 20th, Roy weighed in on Senator Cynthia Lummis's proposal to establish a strategic Bitcoin reserve as part of a strategy to mitigate the growing federal debt burden. Roy acknowledged the potential benefits of holding Bitcoin as a reserve asset, particularly given its history of appreciating value over time. However, he cautioned that even a significant reserve of Bitcoin would fall short of addressing the nation's debt crisis, given the scale of the problem. He highlighted the urgent need for broader fiscal reforms, pointing to the annual federal deficits of over $2 trillion as a pressing issue that demands structural changes in government spending and revenue. While Bitcoin could play a complementary role in diversifying reserves and hedging against economic uncertainty, Roy emphasized that it is not a standalone solution. Effective fiscal policy, along with targeted reforms to reduce federal deficits, will be critical to tackling the United States' debt challenges in a sustainable way. This balanced approach, he argued, is necessary to restore long-term economic stability while exploring innovative tools like Bitcoin. And for all you miners out there, on December 6th at 10 a.m. Central, the Mastermind Club is doing a deep dive presented by EMCD. Learn how to master reward models, pick the best mining pools, and even keep your miners from crashing. If you want to get in on the deep dive and be part of our mission to empower the next generation of Bitcoin miners, hit the link in the description. For our next story, Canaan, a leading manufacturer of cryptocurrency mining hardware, has announced a significant expansion of its operations in North America. The company has secured a substantial order from Hive Blockchain Technologies, a prominent cryptocurrency mining firm, for 6,500 units of its latest Avalon A1566 miners. This model boasts an energy efficiency ratio of 18.5 joules per terahash and delivers a hash rate of 185 terahash per second, making it one of the most efficient miners currently available. The initial shipment of 500 units is scheduled to arrive this week, with the remaining units to be delivered in 4 monthly installments starting December 2024. This strategic partnership aims to enhance Hive's mining capabilities and underscores Canaan's commitment to expanding its footprint in the North American market. The collaboration is expected to bolster the operational efficiency and output of both companies, contributing to the growth and stability of the Bitcoin mining industry in the region. Before our last story of the day, here's a quick shout out to tech innovators Greenwich Generation and their latest marvel, the Pod X, the newest revolution in containerized mining solutions. The Pod X boasts a larger capacity and A more efficient airflow design keeps your miners running cooler with more uptime. Not to mention, the design helps to cut down on the noise emitted from the miners. Check out this video.
Solution was driven by experience. I mean, we've operated a lot of other solutions out there, and we started with the streamlined air movement approach, and it created a lot of problems with us with hot air recirculation, and go forward with a better solution that better fit our needs and gave us better uptime. That's pretty much what we did.
Go to podx.bitcoinminingworld.com or click the link in the description to learn how the PodX could revolutionize your air-cooled mining operation today. All right, let's get you guys out of here real quick. For our last story, Bitcoin balances on cryptocurrency exchanges have dropped to their lowest levels since November 2018, signaling a major shift in investor behavior and market dynamics. According to recent data, this trend reflects a growing tendency among investors to move their Bitcoin holdings off exchanges into private wallets, indicating a preference for long-term storage solutions such as hardware wallets. This move could be a sign of increased confidence in Bitcoin's long-term value proposition, as well as a response to concerns about the security risks associated with keeping funds on exchanges. Hint, hint, keeping them on exchanges is not a good idea, you guys. The declining levels of Bitcoin on exchanges have broader implications for the market. Reduced exchange balances often lead to lower liquidity, which can in turn increase market volatility. With less Bitcoin readily available for trading, sharp price movements become more likely, particularly during periods of heightened demand or selling pressure. This dynamic has the potential to influence Bitcoin's price trends in both the short and long term. Additionally, this behavior may indicate a maturing market, where participants are increasingly adopting self-custody practices. The shift away from exchanges can also be linked to the rise of decentralized finance, DeFi, platforms, and alternative investment opportunities, encouraging investors to take greater control of their assets. Regulatory uncertainty surrounding centralized exchanges could also be driving this trend, as users seek to minimize exposure to potential risks. Overall, the declining Bitcoin exchange balances highlight the evolving strategies and priorities of cryptocurrency investors, reflecting both a maturation of the market and a growing trust in Bitcoin as a long-term asset. These shifts are expected to play a crucial role in shaping the future of the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Thanks for joining us on Channel 256 News, brought to you by Bitcoin Mining World. Make sure to subscribe, share, and tune in next time for the latest updates on Bitcoin and mining. Until then, stay informed, have a great day, and remember, stay solvent and keep stacking.